now children, today let's start with chapter number 3, coal and petroleum. So in this chapter, we will study about coal and petroleum. So we use various things or material to fulfill our basic need to survive, also live comfortably. So these materials are food, clothes, furniture, fuels, water and nickel. These are either provided to us by nature or prepared by humans. So air, water and fuel, they are provided by nature. Food, clothes and furniture, they have been made by human effort. So we have natural sources. These are material found in nature. ठीक है, तो नेचर में आपको मिलता है लाइक एयर, वाटर, लैंड, प्लांट्स एंड मिनरल. और ये क्या करते हैं, हमारे सर्वाइवल को सपोर्ट करते हैं. सो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द अबेंडेंस एंड अवेलेबिलिटी, नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज आर broadly classified into inexhaustible natural resource or exhaustive. What are inexhaustible natural resource? The resources which are present in unlimited quantity in nature. They are not exactly exhausted by human activities. इसको हम inexhaustible natural resource कहते हैं. जो resource है, they are present in large amount of and get renewed very fast. Air, sunlight, water, rainfall and sun, they are inexhaustible natural resource. Then we have exhaustible natural resource. They are limited in nature and can be exhausted by human activities. इसको हम exhaustible कहते हैं. We have two types of inexhaustible resources, exhaustible resources, renewable and non-renewable. Renewable जिनको हम renew कर सकते हैं, non-renewable जिनको हम renew नहीं कर सकते. Right? What are the renewable natural resources? These are inexhaustible and they are replaced with reasonable period time through natural process. Right? जैसे आपके source of power, sun हो गया, wind energy हो गया, they are never ending. Air and water are renewable resource too, as they always be renewed. Now non-renewable natural resource, they are exhaustible and cannot be replaced within a reasonable period of time. Most non-renewable resources include fossil fuel, जैसा आपका coal, petroleum and natural gas. Carbon is main element of fossil fuel. Mineral like iron, aluminium, copper, they are used for making articles made from metals. ये कैसे होते हैं? Non-renewable होते हैं, right? In this chapter, we will learn about some exhaustible natural resources, coal, petroleum और natural gas. ये क्या आते हैं आपके fossil fuels, right? The remains of dead plants and animals buried under the earth millions of years ago, इसको हम fossils कहते हैं. जैसे आपका coal हो गया, petroleum हो गया, natural gas हो गया, they are formed by the dead remains of plants and animals. Right? Like study about the coal. What is coal? It is a fossil fuel, hard and black in color, found in deep mines under the surface of the earth. और ये क्या फॉर्म करते हैं? कॉल बेड्स. राइट? ये चीफ कंटेंट है, कार्बन इसका चीफ कंटेंट है. कार्बन और ऑक्सीजन क्या देता है हमें? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्लस एनर्जी. नाउ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कोल. सो इफ इट इज फॉर्म्ड बाय द स्लो डीके एंड कंप्रेशन ऑफ रिमेन्स ऑफ प्लांट्स, ट्रीज बरीड अंडर डीप अंडरग्राउंड इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ एयर, and the slow process of the conversion of dead vegetation into coal under high temperature or pressure, इसको हम carbonization कहते हैं. Coal contain mainly carbon, but along with it hydrogen, oxygen and a small amount of nitrogen and sulfur is also contained. These resources are present in limited quantity और जो formation है वो क्या लेता है? Millions of years. Now let's study about the different types of coal. Peat, 40 to 60% कार्बन कंटेंट होता है. कैलोरीफिक, जो कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू होती है वो 10,000 to 15,000 होती है. राइट? ये फाइब्रस होता है, लाइट ब्राउन होता है, सूती फ्लेम होता है और एक फॉल स्मेलिंग गैस प्रोड्यूस करता है. सेकेंड इज लिग्नाइट, 60 to 70% ब्राउन कलर होता है, बर्न विद लेस स्मोकी फ्लेम. देन वी हैव बिटुमिनस, 80 to 85% इसमें कार्बन कंटेंट होता है. एक्राइड में 90 to 95% होता है. राइट? व्हाट आर इट्स यूजेस? ये केमिकल इंडस्ट्रीज में हम इसका यूज करते हैं ऑर्गेनिक कार्बन कंपाउंड से फिनॉइल, बेंजीन, टोल्यून और नैप्थलीन बनाने. इंडस्ट्रियल, इन इंडस्ट्रीज इट इज यूज्ड टू मैन्युफैक्चर कोल tar, ठीक है, एमोनिकल लिक्योर, कोल गैस. और किस प्रोसेस से? डिस्ट्रक्टिव डिस्टिलेशन. इट इज यूज्ड इन थर्मल पावर प्लांट और क्या प्रोड्यूस करता है? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ डिस्ट्रक्टिव डिस्टिलेशन ऑफ कोल, ब्रेकिंग ऑफ कोल बाय हीटिंग टू अ हाई टेम्परेचर. और किसके एब्सेंस में? एयर के एब्सेंस में. नाउ एक्टिविटीज गिवन टू शो अ डिस्ट्रक्टिव डिस्टिलेशन ऑफ कोल. You will need a boiling tube, powered coal, water, conical flask और Bunsen burner. यहाँ पे आपको produce procedure भी दिया हुआ है. Now when you heat the powered coal, you observe the formation of dark brownish gray vapor. Carbon present in vapor is solidified near the mouth of the boiling tube और इसको हम gas carbon कहते हैं. This vapor escapes into conical flesh through delivery tube and condenses to form two distinct layers. Right? Top layers contains a clear liquid called ammonical liquid और lower layer में क्या होता है thin black liquid होता है, इसको हम कोल तार कहते हैं. ये कलरलेस गैस होती है, इसको हम कोल गैस कहते हैं. या मिक्सचर होता है हाइड्रोजन कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड मीथेन का. ब्लैक रेसिड्यू को क्या कहते हैं, कोक कहते हैं, विच इज लेफ्ट बिहाइंड इन द बॉइलिंग ट्यूब. राइट. सो व्हाट इज कोल? इसमें आपका कोल तार हो गया, कोल गैस हो गया, कॉक हो गया, और आपका क्या आ जाएगा, आप इसमें गैस हाइड्रोजन भी लिख सकते हो. फर्स्ट इज कोक. इट इज टफ पोरस ग्रेइश ब्लैक स्टोन. ये आपका ऑलमोस्ट प्योर होता है. राइट. 98% इसमें कार्बन होता है. यूजेस ऑफ कोक, रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट है जो एक्सट्रैक्शन करता है मेटल फ्रॉम द ओर्स. ये एसेंशियल रॉ मटेरियल है फॉर द आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री. इट इज यूज्ड टू मैन्युफैक्चर एंड प्रोड्यूसर गैस CO प्लस N2 एंड वाटर गैस. Then we have coal tar. ये black होता है, thick liquid होता है, having unpleasant smell, which is obtained by heating coal in the absence of air. यहाँ पे आपके 200 कार्बन कंपाउंड्स हैं जबकि कोल तार में प्रेजेंट होते हैं by the process of fractional distillation. The product obtained from coal tar, it is used for starting material for manufacturing, right? And the naphthalene balls to repel moths or insects. ये किससे obtained होती है? कोल तार से. Now next is coal gas. It is obtained by destructive distillation of coal. It consists of 3 combustible gases: hydrogen, methane or carbon monoxide. It is used for domestic cooking and lighting purpose till 96. Now ammonia compound, during destructive distillation of coal, ammonia compound are produced, which when dissolved in water, what they form a ammonical liquor. Gases fuel obtained from coke. Coke reacts with steam and air to give two important fuels, जिसे हम water gas कहते हैं और producer gas कहते हैं. Right? Now both the gases are used as industrial fuel. Now let's study about the advantages. So it provides stable form of energy and there is a general good supply in many countries. It is much more economical than other fuel. With the development of technology, today coal can be mined and they can be burned with little environmental impact. Judicious use जो होता है वो allow करता हमें time need to develop viable alternative source. Petroleum, dark colored thick oily liquid, unpleasant smell होती है. Petra means rocks and oleum means oil. So the word petroleum means oil from rock. Formation of petroleum. It is formed by the decomposition of dead remains of marine plants and animals which is buried under the sea. पेट्रोलियम क्या होता है? मिक्सचर ऑफ सेवरल हाइड्रोकार्बन्स हैविंग वन और मोर 100 कार्बन. इट इज बिलीव दैट मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर अगो प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स लिव्ड इन द सी एंड दे डाइड. वो सैंक हो गए थे, फिर डूब गए थे. Occurrence, they occur under the surface of the earth above the petroleum trapped under the sea. This layer containing petroleum and natural gas is found above the water. Right? All those areas where petroleum may be present and they are located by experts. At such places, petroleum is obtained by drilling holes into the earth crust by machine called drilling rigs. Pipes are inserted until they reach the petroleum deposit. By using certain pumps, petroleum is pumped out. It is raw form, जिसको हम crude oil कहते हैं. Because of its market value and importance, it is often refers to as black gold. इसको हम black gold भी कहते हैं. असम और गुजरात में ये रिवर बेसिन में मिलता है, गोदावरी और कृष्णा के. राइट. और मुंबई के ऑफशोर में, जिसे हम मुंबई हाई कहते हैं, हेयर ऑल्सो पेट्रोलियम इज फॉर्म. नाउ रिफाइनिंग ऑफ पेट्रोल. सो इफ in raw form, petroleum consists of many compounds. It is unusable. Different compounds which is separated by refining of petroleum. Right? The refining of petroleum start with heating with crude oil. The vapors are allowed to pass through modified metal tower, जिसको हम fractioning column कहते हैं, जिसको हम fractional distillation भी कहते हैं. Like we have petroleum gas, इसको हम fuel की तरह use करते हैं homes में, industries में. It is used as a fuel, जो क्या form करता है? LPG. It is used as a fuel in light motor vehicle, जिसको हम as a solvent for dry cleaning use करते हैं. Kerosene used as fuel in a gas stove and used in lanterns for lighting purpose. Right? Now diesel fuel heavy motor vehicles, कार में भी हम इसका यूज करते हैं. पैराफिक्स वैक्स कैंडल्स बनाने के हम इसका यूज करते हैं. बिट्यूमिनन रोड सरफेसिंग, ठीक है, वाटर प्रूफिंग के लिए, बिल्डिंग्स में उसके लिए यूज. नेक्स्ट इज पेट्रोकेमिकल्स. Many useful substances that are obtained from petroleum and natural gas, they are called petrochemicals. They are used in manufacturing of synthetic fiber, polyester, nylon, polythene, synthetic rubber, plastics, perfume, dyes, drugs, and medicines. Natural gas, it is an important fuel that occurs deep inside the earth between two layers of impervious, non-porous rock, right? So butane and propane, they are present in small proportion. Natural gas has been found in Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Krishna Godavari Delta. What are its advantages? High calorific value है, इसको हम clean fuel कहते हैं. It's burns without producing any smoke, right? इसको हम as a fuel use करते हैं and for power generation directly we use as fuel in homes, factories, right? इसमें इसको हम as a fuel use करते हैं in thermal power station. Source of hydrogen gas needed to manufacture fertilizer. इसको हम as a starting material भी use करते हैं. लिमिटेशंस की अगर हम बात करें, टू मेन लिमिटेशंस जो है, एक तो एयर पॉल्यूशन होती है और दूसरा है लिमिटेड एवेबिलिटी. एवेबिलिटी बहुत कम है. सो एयर पॉल्यूशन, द बर्निंग ऑफ फॉसिल फ्यूल प्रोड्यूसेस गैस लाइक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, मोनोऑक्साइड, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड एंड स्मोक. ये गैसेस प्रोडक्ट है एंड व्हाट दे कॉज एयर पॉल्यूशन. Air pollution leads to respiratory problems in human being. It causes suffocation and even cause death. Both coal and petroleum are available deep inside the earth. Mining of coal and pumping out of petroleum from the earth. What it creates? Hollow space in the earth. Right? Next, we have limited availability. It took millions of years for the conversion of dead organism into fossil. These resources cannot be replenished themselves by quick recycling and replacement with a reasonable time. Now, conservation of fossil fuels. So, we should use more fuel efficient machine. We should encourage use of renewable source of energy. चाहे wind हो, चाहे solar हो, hydro हो, right? We should reduce the use of fossil fuel and use the fuels only when absolutely necessary. जब जरूरत हो तभी आप उसका use करो. In India, Petroleum Conservation Resource Association, it laid down certain rules for saving petrol, diesel and CNG. What are its rules? Ensure regular maintenance of vehicle, drive at constant and moderate speed, switch off the engine at traffic light. Now, energy conservation is a reduction in consumption of energy. It differs from efficient energy use, which refers to use less energy. Driving less is an example of energy conservation. Driving with higher mileage vehicle is an example of energy efficiency. Energy conservation और जो energy efficiency both are energy reduction technique. इससे हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Energy को reduce कर सकते हैं. To conserve fuel, we should avoid direct and indirect wastage of energy by the following simple practices. Be energy conscious with the use of electricity. This is both way to reduce fossil fuel usage and electricity bill with starting using LED. आप solar powered equipment का भी use कर सकते हो as soon as possible. Reduction the use of plastic. Plastic का use कम कर देते हैं. ठीक है? Is use fossils. आप fossils का use कर सकते हैं because it is an hazardous to environment. Encourage good cooking practices. Use pressure cookers, soak grease in water before cook. ठीक है? आप electric appliances का भी use कर सकते हैं. Encourage the fuel conservation. Turn off the car at traffic signal. Minimize the use of brakes by maintaining constant speed. Ensure correct tire pressure and regular maintenance of the vehicle. Encourage car cooling, right? Spread awareness for fuel conservation, right? This is all about in this chapter. Now, let's move to the exercise. Which of the following? First is multiple choice question. Which of the following is a renewable source? जिसको हम renew कर सकते हैं. Coal. Which of the following is a non-renewable source of energy? That is your coal. Fossil fuels are coal and petroleum, both A and B. Which of the following mineral is present in coal? आपको mineral बताना है. That is present in coal. Hydrogen, oxygen, sulfur या nitrogen. आपका sulfur. How much percentage of carbon content is there present in your bituminous? अगर हम bituminous की बात करें, that is 65 to 85%. Petroleum is also known as black gold. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Black gold. Now fill in the blanks. Resources which get replenished by the natural process in a certain period of time. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Renewable resource. Dash is the various mixture of various constituents such as lubricating oil and paraffin wax. That is petroleum. Dash is black colored hard substance that mainly contains carbon. That is coal. The major fossil fuels are coal and petroleum. The major component of natural gases, that is methane. Now, petroleum is a mixture of different hydrocarbons. Now write T for true and F for false statement. Fossil fuels can be made in laboratory. False. CNG is more polluting fuel than petrol. False. Coke is an almost pure form of carbon. It's true. Coal tar is a mixture of various substances. It's true. Kerosene is not a fossil fuel. False. It's a fossil fuel. Next is subjective type question, short answer. आप बताना what is fuel, then define fossil fuel and give example. What is coal? Name 3 constituent of petroleum. Right? Explain about coal tar, what is natural gas, and then you have to tell its uses. Long answer. Explain about the various variety of coal. How is energy useful to us? Explain. Write a short note on petroleum. Place the step of conserve the resources. The burning of fossil fuels causes air pollution. You have to explain why. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we'll meet in next class. That's all for today. Thank you.